In this quick guide video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix subscription. You can change the plan of Netflix, whether you want to upgrade or to downgrade. To get started, open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com. Once you search for it, you just need to log into your Netflix account. Once the login is complete, just tap on the three lines which is on the top left and then open up account. From the accounts tab, you'll see a couple of options. Just scroll down and under plan details, you can see your current plan. Just tap on change plan and select the new plan that you want. There are 4 plans and underneath you can also see the description of it, the video quality that you're getting and the number of devices that you can watch it on. Select your new plan and then tap on continue. Once you do, it's going to give you your current plan and the new plan that you've selected. Once you do, it's also going to show you the amount and the date that the new plan is going to start. The new plan wouldn't start immediately, it will start on the date that is given right here. Just tap on confirm change. Now the amount of money will be deducted from the card that you have added or the PayPal account that you have added. So that was the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.